Namaste Friends. I'm Yogi Devraj from Yoga University of the Americas. Today, after finishing the subject of karma theory, let us take a gap today to tell you something about tomorrow's special day, 6th International Day of Yoga, which is being celebrated in more than 200 countries. Friends, like last Saturday again, we are in a beautiful sacred place of Goddess Ilama, which is there for last 40 years, supporting, helping, serving thousands and millions of people. Friends, today the whole world is preparing for tomorrow's 6th International Day of Yoga. We have started organizing this program from 2015. But this time it is very special. All of us know it is because of coronavirus. Whole world is affected by coronavirus. Really, people are afraid of coming out, meeting the people, touching the people, sitting with the people, especially unknown. All these things have started fear in the mind of people. See, there are two things. Corona wants us to be inside the house. Yoga, the purpose of yoga is to join. As all of us know, yoga is derived from Sanskrit dhatu, yuj, means to join. Generally, it is understood joining means joining the body with the mind, mind with the soul, soul with the supreme soul. 3 levels. Because of coronavirus, because we are not able to stand together, do together, but still we can be together using lot of online programs conducted by various organizations throughout the world. But there is another interesting thing in case of this online also. Because, friends, as you know, you may be in different country. Still, we can do it together on the same online programs. That is a beautiful advantage. During Vedic period, they have coined a beautiful word, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family, irrespective of the caste, creed, religion, language, nation, no boundaries for yoga. So, boundaryless family can exist only through yoga. That is going to happen tomorrow. Because we don't know who is joining which online program of which organization. So, whole world is coming together in spite of coronavirus to show that we are united, we are together. That is because of yoga. Friends, we got always a question. People who do not know about yoga, they may have a question. Why yoga always? See, yoga works in 3 dimensions. One is as an education. You can have degrees. You can have even a degree up to doctorate level. Because many universities are promoting that. Second is healthcare system. Even in a healthcare system, it is diagnostic, preventive as well as curative. All the 3 are available in yoga. And finally, it's a lifestyle education. Again, the lifestyle is not restricted to any community, religion, world, nation, language or anything, race, it's all same because lifestyle depends on their own mind, mental setup. That mind goes with three things. One is, wherever they are born, whatever the knowledge they get in the surroundings wherever they are born, the customs, culture, heritage, all these things are taken in case of child which is born in a particular place. We call it as Loka Vasana, Deha Vasana and Shastra Vasana as per our yogic terms. Next comes education. Depending upon the education, we transform ourselves. Yoga is another education which transforms human beings. That is the beauty of yoga. If you start practicing yoga, generally in the morning, naturally you have to get up early in the morning first. So that changes your life. You have to do with others. You have to do it in a group. Means group awareness comes only in yoga. Then Swadhyaya. We have to do self-study, which is recommended in yoga under Niyama, where we are going to observe ourselves, question ourselves, why all these things are happening in my life. That is Swadhyaya. We have to find out the reason. All these things, some people start with a beautiful beginning on International Day of Yoga. Because though they are novice, new, they will see each and every place, including some of the roads in some of the big cities, are closed tomorrow morning for doing yoga. Such is the liking of yoga by people. Like last year, same period, I was in Orlando, near Orlando, where they were organizing beautiful, in Daytona Beach, a beautiful yoga, International Day of Yoga. Then also visited some of the West Indies islands. Friends, yoga is reaching even smallest of the small islands. Like I have seen in St. Lucia, people organized a wonderful national seminar on yoga, yogic principles, or the holistic health, just the beginning of 2020. But yoga is not just asanas. That is what I want to tell you today. Because tomorrow, let us make sankalpa. Sankalpa means taking an oath on ourselves that not only asanas, we go beyond asanas. At least tomorrow we will take oath, we will go at least towards pranayama or the secrets of pranayama. In that regard, let me speak something. Friends, asana, yes, that is the beginning. It is true, you have to start from there only. But we need to understand what is pranayama. See, pranayama, pranam is the vital energy, consciousness, chaitanya, energy, power, which makes this body to run from day one of the first inhalation or the time of birth till last day or the last exhalation. After that we didn't take inhalation. We can say that as death. So entire journey of our whole life starts from prana, ends with prana. So pranayama we need to understand more. At least during next year, let us make sankalpa that we learn more pranayamas. See, even pranayamas, there are some kriyas. There are some sectional breathings. Then finally, deep, long, continuous inhalation and exhalation when you do, you will be just forgetting the whole world if you just close your eyes. You will be with your breath. That means slowly that pranayama practice makes you to enter meditation, area of meditation slowly, because you will be doing meditation on prana itself. So friends, let this 6th International Day of Yoga, tomorrow is a very, very special day. Let it be with some vrata you take, at least for minimum is pranayama, or it could be anything of your choice within yoga. Friends, Yoga University of the Americas, along with Yuva India Forum, Rotary Club, especially Rotary International District 3190, along with Bangalore Rotary Global Yoga, which is going to be started. All these organizations, all the Rotary clubs in the district of 3190, under the great leadership of Rotary International, are joining this International Day of Yoga tomorrow from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. You are going to have a very good lecture series from experts in the field of yoga, and also some of the practices which are going to teach you. So tomorrow at 6 a.m. be on your mat after drinking sufficient water. Be with us. Let us make a grand day tomorrow, especially because in Bharat there is eclipse where we want to close it as early as possible. That is why we have made it from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Please join depending upon the timings. You know, in Bangalore time I am telling, that is IST, Indian Standard Time, 6 a.m. tomorrow. Please join, be on the mat so that we can do some asanas, pranayamas and meditation also as per the protocol designed by Ayush Department of Government of India, Ministry of Ayush, so that we can make it a habit from tomorrow that let this International Day of Yoga, 6th one, will let it bring a beautiful transformation in your life. So friends, I request all the people to send your registration forms, which we are going to send it. Already we have sent it today. Again I am going to send it today. So please register your name for tomorrow so that we can join. All the instructions, guidelines will follow once you register. So let us make it a grand success. Please join us. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. Good night for people from USA, and good day for people from Bharat and Southeast Asia. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. I thank all of you once again, and please support us by sharing it to a large number of people and also yourself registering along with all your family members. Thank you so much. Namaste. Finish with me.